How can you describe different groups of shapes? Let's look at some different ways. Ethan made two groups of polygons. How are the groups different? How are the groups alike? When you classify groups of shapes, you identify the attributes of each and then compare them with other shapes. What is the middle figure in group 1? Why can it be included in group 1?
So the middle figure in group 1 is a square. It can be in group 1 because in group 1 a rhombus is any quadrilateral, so any shape with four sides that has equal length sides. So a square has four sides that are all the same length, so does each of the other two rhombuses.
The middle figure in group 1 is a square. A square is a special type of rhombus. It is a rhombus with four right angles. Could a trapezoid also be included in group 1? No. A trapezoid has just one pair of parallel sides. A rhombus is a parallelogram, and a parallelogram has two pairs of parallel sides. Here are some ways the two groups are different. In group 1, each polygon has sides that are all the same length. In group 2, each polygon has sides that are not all the same length. In group 1, each polygon has two pairs of parallel sides. In group 2, each polygon has only one pair of parallel sides. Here are some ways the two groups are alike. In group 1 and group 2, all of the polygons have four sides. In group 1 and group 2, all of the polygons have four angles. In group 1 and group 2, all of the polygons are quadrilaterals because they all have four sides.
All polygons with four sides are quadrilaterals.
So we're going to practice. We're going to drag each shape to the boxes that describe its attributes. Remember, attributes are what it looks like. What do you see when you look at that shape? So group 1, rhombuses, and group 2, trapezoids. And as it talked about earlier, rhombuses are parallelograms. All their sides are parallel. So drag each shape to the box that describes its attributes. All sides same length, that would be a square. All sides not the same length, we could use a trapezoid. One pair of parallel sides. These are parallel, these are parallel. Parallel sides run together and they'll never intersect. They'll never come together. That has two, that has two. Let's see. Ooh, that has one parallel side. This also has one. Ooh, let's use parallelogram. Two pairs of parallel sides. Ooh, right there. Four sides. This one has four sides. Four angles. Which one haven't we used yet? Four angles. A quadrilateral. Could be any of them.
Now you know how to describe different groups of shapes.